how to get Apple Music free on iPhone or iPad. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Apple Music for free in iPhone or iPad. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is head over to your settings and make sure that you are connected or you are logged in into your Apple ID. After doing that, head over to General and head over to Software Update. Make sure that you're updated to the latest version. After doing that, you can then head over to the Music app. And right after you open up the Music app, you will get the 1 month free of music. So right here you will see you can just get this for free. Then you will have to pay around $3.29 per month USD. So you can check out more plans as well. So to get Apple Music for free, you can only get it for a month. So that's the catch here. So just log in into your account and then you can tap on try it for free and you'll get it for a month. But after that, you will actually need to start paying $3.29 per month. And yeah, that's basically how you get Apple Music for free, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.